Hello, welcome back to my channel. So this is a very brief video of this hairstyle I did. So we did boho braids at the back and cornrows in front of her head. I did not record every part of it, but I would just be showing you how I achieved the coils. So I did the normal boho braids. You know, when you're braiding, you leave a strand of hair. This is just braiding hair. It is all braiding hair. I did not use the pre-coiled hair. So I went ahead to braid, and on each braid I left like up to 3 or 4 strands of hair, as you would do normally with the pre-coiled hair. So I left strands of hair out and coiled them up with this perm rods. Afterwards, I boiled some water and dipped them into the water. Oh, guys, if I told you that the result was a bomb, yes, it was so beautiful. It was full. Oh, I even had to trim out some of the coils because it was really full. And yes, my clients loved it. I loved it, and it was amazing. You can try this also and see what the outcome is like. So the trick to getting the coils out perfectly is, after taking it off the perm rods, you trim the ends, like you cut the ends a little bit so it does not tangle while opening your coils. You see the way I'm opening it, it's going out smoothly. Yes, that's the trick. And when you're done, you just go ahead to add your apply styling mousse and oil to keep it together. Guys, this came out amazing. My client was happy. I hope you try this. You see the final result? No, check it now. Check. See, so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. See ya. Bye.